Do you believe that with just one simple aloe leaf from your backyard, your skin and hair can look more youthful and radiant than when using expensive cosmetics? Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help soothe, hydrate, and restore the skin. Throughout history, it's been known as the plant of immortality. In ancient Egypt, aloe vera was treasured as a beauty secret to preserve youth and vitality. Queen Cleopatra herself was said to use it to nourish her skin and maintain her legendary beauty. Even today, many people still rely on fresh aloe to moisturize, calm sunburns, and help heal small cuts or scrapes. What about you? Do you grow aloe vera at home, or do you prefer buying it fresh from the store? As for me, I always leave some space in my garden for a few aloe plants, because their wonderful benefits for both health and skin are simply too good to pass up. In today's video, I'll show you that with just a few aloe leaves, you can easily create simple beauty recipes that are so effective, everyone will want to try them right away. The very first ingredient you'll need, of course, is aloe vera. Start by picking a few plump, fresh leaves from your garden. Be careful not to cut too close to the base, as that could harm the plant. Next, place the aloe leaves in a bowl of clean water and let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. This easy step helps release the yellow sap, which removes the bitterness and makes the inner gel much safer to use for the next steps. Once the soaking time is done, simply take the aloe leaves out and gently pat them dry. This little step helps preserve all the nutrients in the gel without letting excess water dilute its effectiveness. Aloe vera has long been loved because it's rich in natural enzymes that gently exfoliate dead skin cells, brighten the complexion, and leave skin smooth without the irritation that harsh chemicals can cause. At the same time, it also supports digestion, detoxifies the body, and boosts overall health, making it a safe and sustainable choice for both beauty and wellness. The next step is to peel away the green outer skin to reveal the clear, cool gel inside. First, trim off the spiky edges on both sides of the leaf. These aloe thorns act like a natural fence, and the serrated edges help reduce the surface area exposed to the air, which slows down moisture loss. Another fascinating feature of aloe vera is its ability to survive in harsh, dry climates. Its thick water-storing leaves allow the plant to retain moisture and recover quickly. This survival mechanism is the very reason aloe is so effective at hydrating and renewing the skin. Now we'll carefully trim away the middle layer of the peel. For centuries, aloe vera has been considered a true gift from nature. Even though the plant is made up of about 99% water, the remaining 1% contains over 200 valuable nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants. This powerful combination helps nourish the skin, restore the body, and protect you from harmful effects in the environment. At this point, the clear aloe gel is revealed. All you need to do is take a spoon and gently scrape out the inner flesh, separating it from the outer skin. Just like that, you have fresh cooling gel ready to use, and I can't wait to show you the wonderful beauty recipes we'll be making with it. After sharing all these fascinating facts about aloe vera, I think it's the perfect time for us to have a little chat together. Have you ever tried growing aloe in your garden? Or do you usually just buy it fresh at the supermarket? When you've used it, what results have you noticed the most? Softer skin, healthier hair, or perhaps an overall boost to your wellness? I'd love for you to share your experiences or even your tips in the comments below. Every story you leave helps me and others learn something new, and it also gives me the motivation to keep making more helpful videos. Once you finish scraping out the clear aloe gel, place it into a bowl, and there you have it, a fresh bowl of cool aloe gel ready to use. But wait, don't toss the peel just yet. Inside it are plenty of other surprising benefits. If you're curious, stay tuned for the next video where I'll reveal a recipe I think you're going to enjoy. Now, let's go back to our bowl of pure aloe gel. Blend it until it's completely smooth. This way, the gel will be silky and so much easier to use. Wait a moment for the air bubbles to dissolve. Next, I'll divide the blended gel into 3 small bowls. If I had to pick just one simple yet highly effective aloe recipe, the one I'm about to share with you would be my #1 choice. First, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, which helps brighten the skin, fade dark spots, and provide strong antioxidant benefits. Next, add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. This nourishing oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which help keep the skin soft and supple and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And finally, don't forget 1 tablespoon of honey, the natural miracle worker with antibacterial properties. Honey locks in moisture while giving your skin a radiant, healthy glow. When combined, these 4 ingredients create a multi-purpose cream. It deeply hydrates, brightens the skin, helps prevent wrinkles, and protects against environmental damage. The application is effortless. After washing your face, apply the aloe cream evenly to your skin and gently massage it in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse off with cool water. Your skin will instantly feel refreshed, quenched, and smooth. With regular use, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, firmer, and gradually regaining its natural glow. To preserve all the nutrients, store the cream in a clean glass jar with a tight lid and keep it in the refrigerator. Use it within 10 days to ensure maximum freshness and effectiveness. This is a natural, safe, and budget-friendly solution that still gives you that spa-like skincare experience right at home. A little secret that anyone can try. If the first aloe cream recipe was all about brightening the skin, this second recipe is specially made for those of us who often struggle with breakouts and oily skin. With just a few common ingredients from your kitchen, you can create a cream that's both safe and wonderfully effective. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to a bowl. It's often called one of the best natural moisturizers. Thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it also protects the skin from irritation and helps soothe sensitive areas. Next, add 1 teaspoon of plain unsweetened yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently cleanses the skin while helping to fade acne scars and dark spots. Then add just a few drops of tea tree essential oil, a familiar ingredient in many acne care products. It's well known for its ability to fight bacteria, reduce redness, and calm inflamed skin. Mix everything until the texture becomes smooth and creamy, and you'll have a true multi-purpose cream. It helps fight acne deeply, moisturizes, balances excess oil, reduces greasiness, and leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. The way to use it is also very flexible. You can dab it directly onto blemishes or spread a thin layer over your whole face and gently massage until it's absorbed. For best results, apply it twice a day, so it works like a targeted spot treatment. Store it in a clean glass jar, keep it in the refrigerator, and use it within 7 to 10 days for maximum freshness. It's such a simple recipe, yet with consistent use, you'll see visible improvements. This formula is especially great for anyone who prefers a gentle natural approach and doesn't want to rely on chemical acne creams. It's budget-friendly, safe, and gives your skin that wonderful breathing feeling every evening worth a try, don't you think? Beyond moisturizing, one important skincare step that many people often overlook is exfoliation. With this third recipe, you can gently remove dead skin cells in a way that's soothing yet very effective, thanks to the perfect combination of fresh aloe gel, brown sugar, coffee grounds, and almond oil. Our skin naturally produces and sheds old cells every day. If these aren't properly cleared away, pores can become clogged, leading to breakouts and a dull, tired-looking complexion. To make the scrub, start by adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to a bowl. Its fine, grainy texture works to gently sweep away dead skin buildup. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds. Coffee is rich in antioxidants that smooth the skin while also boosting blood circulation underneath. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of almond oil, which is full of vitamin E and fatty acids, to deeply nourish and hydrate, keeping your skin soft and supple after exfoliation without that tight, dry feeling. Mix everything, and just like that, you have an all-natural scrub that does it all gently. Exfoliates, helps fight signs of aging, and improves circulation. It's very easy to use. After washing your face or dampening your body, apply the scrub and massage in gentle circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. You'll notice your skin feels softer and smoother from the very first time. For best results, use it 1 to 2 times per week, but avoid overdoing it so your skin doesn't become thin or sensitive. If you don't use it all right away, store the scrub in a clean glass jar with a tight lid and keep it in the refrigerator. Use it within 7 to 10 days to keep all the fresh nutrients intact and get the best results. This is a wonderful choice for anyone who wants to exfoliate while also nourishing brighter, healthier skin without turning to harsh chemical products. Natural, safe, and easy to make, truly a gift you can give your skin every single week. As we age, our skin naturally becomes more delicate and prone to dryness. But you don't need expensive cosmetics to care for it. Just a few simple, familiar ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, or honey are more than enough for natural daily care. The key is consistency, along with healthy habits, such as drinking enough water, getting good sleep, and keeping a joyful spirit. With just a few minutes of gentle care each day, you'll notice stronger skin, healthier hair, and a fresh, radiant look that lasts over time. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I always look forward to reading your stories and spreading these natural beauty secrets together.